To my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, and from 26th of January we have seen it has formed this particular zone. Otherwise what you have seen that there is a continuous downfall, and other important thing is that it is creating a pattern. Okay, these are the things that you have to keep in mind, that whenever it hits a previous high, that means if it goes above a previous high, it makes a downfall, and that downfall is from 50, 30 or even 80%, even 100% we have seen the fall has come. Okay, and this downfall is being repeated 3, 4, 5 times continuously. Okay, until now we will not see, till the time we will not see a swing is forming, we cannot see it can go further upside. Why? Because you have to understand looking at this chart, because whenever it goes high, it makes a swing and then it tries to move upside. Before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart. A swing is forming at this particular level. It is in this range and it is trying to make a swing. Okay, so it is moving in this particular zone, and I've already explained you that if a price moves in a particular zone, if it falls below this particular zone, it makes a sharp fall. If it goes upside, then we can see it can probability of going further upside is there. So what we can see, suppose if this level sustain, which is on a higher chances, yes, it can sustain, it can go towards a level of around $2.685, and once it move over that particular zone, it can go towards a level of $2.895, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 3.2, and once it sustain above 3.2, chances of touching 3.5 is there. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain 2.9, chances of touching 3.2 is there to a level of 3.5, and if it goes above that particular zone, chances of going towards a level of around 3.7 is there, and from there we can see a level of 3.9. so you have to understand, once it goes above 3.9, chances of touching 4.1 is on a higher side, and once it sustains this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $4.3. There is a gap between 4.1 and 4.3, so probability it will touch this particular zone and it can go further upside. And if it goes above 4.3, I'll make another video explaining you where it can move. Okay, but suppose market, you can see the trend is going upside or downside, but it is always volatile. Okay, and the market has been volatile for quite some time for natural gas and other commodities. Okay, because of few things, that is Fed was continuously increasing the rate, USD dollar getting strengthened. Okay, CPI data was coming continuously with inflated. Okay, and a war situation was also there, which was affecting all the price of natural gas. Okay, so always try, when there is high volatility, that the quantity reduced to half, make SL and targets double, so that your SL should not be hit before hitting your targets. Okay, suppose if this level goes further down, what we can see, it can touch a level of around $2.538, which is strong support, so we can see a bounce back can come. But if this level didn't sustain, it can come down again to a level of 2.4. okay, once if it goes below this particular zone, it can go towards a level of $2.3, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $2, and once it fall below this particular zone, chances of touching $1.9 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1.6. Keep this in mind. Once it fall below a level of $2, chances of touching 1.9 is there, and from there we can see level of 1.6. Once the price fall below 1.6, then we can see it can go further down, and a probability of going towards 1.3 is there, and then we can see it can go further low. Okay, now understand something, what most of the people do mistakes in trading. What they do, they try to recover the money which they lose. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, suppose you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum risk you can take is $500. So once you are done with 500, all 5 trades, that is 100 per trade, relax for the day and then trade the next day. What is the benefit? That it will not affect your psychology, rather than it will give you a motivation to make a profit. But if you lose more of it, then you will try to recover it, and then that process you will lose full capital. This is what they do. I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.